Hey guys, Coop here. Today I'm going to show you how to package up your tumblers to ship them. This is the absolute safest way that protects you and the customer. It may cost you a little bit more than shipping it the other way, but if you ship it the cheap way and it gets lost or it gets damaged, even though you refund your customer the money, they will still rake you over the coals. So by sending it in a flat rate medium priority box, it might cost you a little bit of more money, but it's going to save you in the long run because it's insured and protected. And so we'll get on with how I ship my boxes. This is the best way I've found. It'll fit any size cup, your 20, 30, whatever. I'm just say for instance we're going to ship this 30 ounce. What I do, I take 2 of the small priority flat rate boxes and I stick them down inside the box. What this does is it gives protection to this bigger box from crushing because you have these 2 smaller boxes inside, and you'll put the cup in the middle of those 2 boxes. So now to prepare this, I just take bubble wrap and I wrap my cup, probably go around it 3 or 4 times, and then tape the bottom, tape the top, and set it down. Then I take packing peanuts, I put in the bottom of the box, making sure that you have packing noodle or packing peanuts all the way around your 2 little small boxes that are in there. Now that you have the bottom filled, you put your cup in there, right in the center. If you can't get it flat, you need to pull some of the packing peanuts out so you can get it flat. Put your cup back in there. Make sure it's level with these 2 boxes here, which this one's still got to have a few more pulled out. Put your cup in there. Now it will close. Now we fill up the rest of the void with the packing peanuts. A few more. Make sure you don't have any packing peanuts on top of these little boxes. Just kind of smash them around. Make sure they're well protecting the cup. That's good right there. Now push the bottoms down, the tops, and I tape it all the way around. Just not one piece. You got to go all the way around the box with one consecutive piece. And then I'll go around the box this way, and then I'll go around the box that way. And that is the best way I have found to ship your cups and them not get damaged. So I hope this helps you guys. I know it's helped me. That's how I ship mine, and I have not had one lost, one messed up, damaged. Every customer's been satisfied. Yes, you're going to have customers complain about the price, but I would rather hear them complain about the price than hear them complain about their stuff getting damaged or lost. Alright guys and gals, you want to put your comments and questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. I appreciate your support, appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. You guys all know we have the social media sites up and going. All of the links for those will be down below. Come over and check us out on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It's entirely up to you. And with all that being said, old Coop's pretty much going to say, Coop out.